Good morning, students. Students, I hope you all are fine at your places. Okay. Today we are discuss our next assignment. That is assignment 2.8. Okay. See, students, as we have already discussed up to the assignment 2.7. Now the first part of our assignment 2.8 is we have to find the reciprocal of minus 1 by 3. So we know that reciprocal of any number is just opposite of it. For example, if I take 7 by 3, so its reciprocal will be 3 by 7, just opposite of this number. Okay, students. So similarly here, the reciprocal of minus 1 by 3 is just opposite of this number. See, the opposite of this will be 3 by minus 1. Okay, students. And we know that 3 by 1 is 3. Okay. And if the negative sign is in denominator, we can shift it towards the numerator also. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, students. Now the next part is the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 11. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 11. See, students, the multiplicative inverse of any number, if we take, for example, 3 by 11. If I take 3 by 11. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 11 is just the reciprocal of it. So its reciprocal is 11 by 3. Okay. So this 11 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 11. Okay, students. So multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 11 is just the reciprocal of this number. Okay. The multiplicative inverse is none other than the reciprocal of any number. So its reciprocal is 11 by minus 7. Okay. And we know that the negative sign is in denominator, so we can shift it towards the numerator. So it will be minus 11 by 7. Okay, so minus 11 by 7 is the required answer. Now the third part, the product of rational number and its reciprocal is, we have to find the product of the rational number with its reciprocal. Okay. See, students, we have the term rational number. As we have already discussed, the rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in p by q form. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in p by q form, and where q is not equals to 0. And where q is not equals to 0. Okay. That means the fraction value. The fractions value are called the rational numbers. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the product of the rational number and its reciprocal. Okay. See, students, if we take any rational number, for example 3 by 5. Okay. So product of this rational number with the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3. If we just product them 5 cancel out, 3 cancel. So it will be 1. So the product is 1. Okay. Let us take some other example. See, if we take minus 7 by 11, okay. So the product of minus 7 by 11 will, its reciprocal will be 11 by minus 7. Okay. Minus 7 got cancelled out with minus 7, 11 got cancelled out with 11. So our answer is 1. So students, if we take any rational number, it can be anything. Okay. And if we product it, then its reciprocal. So the answer is always 1. So the required answer is 1. Okay, students. You can take any of the rational number. Okay, students. Now question number 2 is, write two rational numbers which are their own reciprocals. Okay, students. We have to find two numbers whose reciprocal is the same number. Okay, students. See, students, there are only two numbers, that is 1 and minus 1, whose reciprocal is itself. Okay. So 1 and minus 1 are only two rational numbers. whose reciprocal is itself. Okay, students, because see students, if I take 1, so the reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1 and 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, and if I take minus 1, so reciprocal of minus 1 will be 1 by minus 1, and we know that 1 by 1 is 1, and we can shift this negative sign towards the greater, so it will be minus 1. Okay, so the reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is 1, so the only two numbers are 1 and minus 1. Okay, see students, if we take another example, for example minus 2, okay, if you take reciprocal of it, it will be 1 up to minus 2, and they are not equal. So the only two numbers whose reciprocals are same as itself is 1 and minus 2. Okay students, now the next question number 3. But which rational number is multiplicative identity for rational number? See, now the term here is multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? See friends, if I take any number, for example a by b, okay, by which number we multiply this a by b and we get a by b, okay, is called, the only number is 1. This one is called the multiplicative identity. See, the multiplicative identity is that number which we can multiply by any number, we get the same number. For example, if we take the number 3, by which number we multiply? By which number we multiply this 3? So that answer is 3. Okay, so it is only 1. Okay, the multiplicative identity, it is that number which when multiplied by any number we get the same number. Okay, friends, the multiplicative identity is that number which we multiply by any number we get the same number. See, if we multiply this 1 by 3, so we get 3 now. If we take 9, if we multiply 1 by 9, we get 9. See, the number here is 9 and the number is 9. So the multiplicative identity is always 1. So therefore solution here is multiplicative identity for any rational number is always 1. Okay students, so the required answer is 1. Now in question number 4, it has 2 parts in which we have to just multiply the 2 terms. We have to just multiply the 2 terms. So the first part here is we have to multiply minus 3 by minus 7. We have to multiply it by minus 5. Okay. See students, minus can cancel out with minus. Okay. None of the numbers is getting cancelled out now, so it can be written as 5 is 15 and minus sign is this, so minus 15 upon 7. So minus 15 by 7 is our required answer. Okay. Now the B part. We have to just multiply this 2 by 5 by minus 3 by 8. So 2 by 5 as it is, multiplication sign, and the next number is minus 3 by 8. So it is minus 3 by 8. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, because they can be cancelled out by 2. Now minus 3, 4 and 5, none of the number is getting cancelled out. So just write, see, 1 multiplied by minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 upon 5 and 4. 5 4 is 20. So minus 3 by 20 is our required answer. Okay, now the question number 5 has 2 parts in which we have to just multiply the 2 natural numbers. Okay, students. So see, minus 7 by 4 multiplied by 333 by minus 7. Okay. See students, minus 7 and minus 7 both are same. Both are same. So we can just cancel them out. Now this 333 and 4, they are not getting cancelled by any number. So just write it as 333 by 7. This is our answer. Okay students. Now the next part is 12 by minus 15 by multiplied by 20 by minus 3. Okay, see students, this 0 can be cancelled out by this 0. Okay, now see, we have 3 here and 12 here. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now the only denominator number beginning is 5 and 5 is neither cancelled out by 4 nor by 2. So it can be written as 4 and 2. When 4 is multiplied by 2, it will be 8. Okay, upon. Here we have minus 5, here we have minus 1. So the minus and minus 1 multiplied, minus multiplied by minus is plus, and 5 ones is 5. So answer is 8 by 5. Okay students, now the question number 6 is, it has 6 parts. In each of these 6 parts, we have to just multiply the two rational numbers. Okay students, so the first part is 3 by 20 multiplied by 15 by 18. 3 by 20 multiplied by 15 by 18. See students, we know that 3 5 is 15 and 3 6 is 18. So 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. Okay, see this 5 and 20 can be cancelled out because 5 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now this 3 and 6 can be cancelled out because 3 ones is 3, 3 twos is 6. See, in numerator, here we have 1 and 1. So when 1 is multiplied, we get 1. Okay, and in denominator we have 4 and 2. So when 4 is multiplied by 2, we get 8. So the answer is 1 by 8. Okay students, next part is minus 5 by 36 multiplied by minus 3 by 20. See students, 5 is a 5, 5 4 is 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 4 is 20. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. See, in numerator we have just minus 1 and minus 1. So when minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus minus plus 1 ones are 1. 12 and 4. 12 4 is 48. So the answer is 1 by 48. Okay friends. The next part is 36 by 7. 36 by 7 when multiplied by minus 14 by 9. Minus 14 by 9. 7 2 is 14. So 7 ones are 7. 7 2 are 14. 9 ones are 9. 9 4 is 36. So 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So our answer is C. We have minus 2 here and 4 here. When 4 is multiplied by minus 2, when 4 is multiplied by minus 2, it will be 8. And 1 and 1 is 1. And 8 by any, 8 by 1 is 1. Sorry, 8 by 1 is 8. So it will be minus 8. Okay, so minus 8 is our required answer. So the next part is just multiply minus 36 by 5 when multiplied by 25 by minus 9. See students, see the minus is in numerator and minus is in denominator as well, so we can cancel them out. Okay students, now 9 ones is 9, 9 4 is 36. So 9 ones are 9, 9 4 are 36. 5 ones are 5, 5 5 are 25. See now in the numerator we have this 5 and 4. So 5 4 is 20 upon 1 and 1. 1 ones is 1. So 20 by 1 is 20. So answer is 20. Okay students. Now we have 14 by 9 and minus 8 by 3. So 14 by 9 and multiplied by minus 8 by 3. See friends, this 14 is neither cancelled, is not cancelled by 9 as well as 3. Okay. And this 8 is neither cancelled by 9 and nor by 3 as well. So we cannot cancel any of these numbers. So what we can do is we just multiply these terms. So here we have plus 14 and minus, so answer will be negative. So just multiply this 14 and 8. So 14 8s are, it will be 2, because 8 was 32, remainder 3, 8, 8. So it will be 1, 1, 2, there are minus sign and 9 is 27. Okay, so answer is minus 122 by 27. Okay students, so the last part is 15 by 4 multiplied by minus 4 by 7. See students, this 4 and 4 can be cancelled out by each other. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. No, this 15 and 7 we cannot cancel them out. So 15 into minus 1 will be minus 15 upon 7 ones is 7. So answer is minus 15 by 7. Okay students. So students, I hope you understand all these 6 questions. Just have a look and just try to solve them and write these questions in your fair notebook. Okay. So in our next class, we will do the remaining questions of our assignment. Okay. Till then, just be at home and be safe.